Oster, assembling your food processor attachment. Adding a food chopper or food processor attachment to your Oster blender expands your food prep capabilities. Here's the tips you need to assemble your food chopper or food processor accessory for optimal performance. The food chopper attachment is compatible with the Oster Classic Series blenders, and the food processor attachment is compatible with the Oster Pro Series blenders, which have the extra wide blade system. The food chopper or food processor adapter should only be sponge cleaned. Never immerse it into water or place it in the dishwasher. Your adapter needs to be attached to the food chopper or food processor bowl prior to use. To assemble the attachment onto your bowl, make sure the components are clean. Place the bowl onto the adapter so that the tabs on the bowl line up with the lock opening. Turn the adapter counterclockwise until it locks in place and will not turn any further. If your particular Oster Classic Series blender comes with or is compatible with the food chopper attachment, you can easily turn your blender base into a versatile kitchen tool. Once you have assembled the adapter onto the bowl, you need to carefully place the S-blade onto the center post, and then fill with the ingredients you wish to chop. Place the cover on the bowl by pressing down and turning counterclockwise until it locks in place. Place the food chopper attachment onto the blender base. Keep one hand on the top of the food chopper and turn the blender on using the medium speed on continuous or fast pulse settings. And that's it! You've just made it fresh with your food chopper attachment. The food processor attachment lets you transform your Pro Series blender into a kitchen tool that shreds, slices, and chops. Once you've assembled the adapter onto the bowl, you can choose to chop with the S-blade or use the disc for shredding or slicing. To use the S-blade for chopping, hold the S-blade very carefully by the center hub and place it over the post. Rotate to make sure it is seated onto the post as far as it will go. Fill with your ingredients and place the cover on the bowl by pressing down and turning counterclockwise until it locks in place. To use the slicing disc, place the bowl onto the adapter, but now also place the small adapter onto the center post. The disc has two sides, one for slicing and one for shredding. Choose the side suitable for your job and carefully place the disc over the post using the finger holes to position. Place the cover on the bowl by pressing down and turning counterclockwise until it locks in place. To place the food processor bowl in place, identify the tabs on the side of your food processor attachment and the corresponding tabs on the side of your Oster Pro Series blender. Line them up and seat your food processor attachment in place until you hear it click. Place the food to be processed in the chute and rest the food pusher in the chute. To process, turn the blender on using the medium speed. When done, turn the unit off and unplug. That's it. You just made it fresh with your food processor attachment. The food chopper or food processor attachments make your food prep fast and easy, so cooking up tasty meals and snacks is a breeze. See below for a link to an information sheet with details discussed in this video.
The new Hamilton Beach Sound Shield 950 blender with Quiet Blend technology is 55% quieter than a traditional blender. Here's a traditional blender. And here's the Sound Shield 950 in action. Our Quiet Blend technology keeps noise levels low so you can make a 6 a.m. smoothie without disturbing your family. Keep the conversation going while mixing margaritas, and let the baby keep napping while dinner gets started. Our hinged Quiet Shield provides superior noise reduction that keeps all of your blending noise at bay, while our motor, fan, and rubber jar pad are all designed to muffle sounds while they work. But the innovation doesn't stop at keeping quiet. The 950 is a powerhouse when it comes to smoothies, icy drinks, salsas, soups, hummus, and more. It crushes ice with a 950-watt peak power motor and stainless steel blades. 3 speeds with pulse to ensure controlled blending and desired results every time. The 52-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar has a spill-stopping, drip-free pour spout to minimize the mess. It's easy to blend your own smoothies to go with the included 20-ounce blend-in travel jar. It's also easy to clean. Just lift, press, and slide the Sound Shield to remove. The blades also remove for cleaning. It's a snap. Combine powerful blending, easy use, quick cleanup, and more peace and quiet in your kitchen, and you have the Hamilton Beach Sound Shield 950. Now that's good thinking.
Is your kitchen overdue for a powerful upgrade? Introducing the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender. From pulverizing nuts and seeds to effortlessly producing consistent results, the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender shines where other appliances struggle. This powerhouse blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 2.25 peak horsepower motor that easily handles your toughest kitchen tasks. With a double housing design, heavy-duty plastic base, and soft-touch handle, the Hurricane Blender is not only ultra-quiet, but incredibly easy to use. Press a button on the illuminated LCD display to choose low, high, or pulse, or press the pre-programmed setting for smoothie or ice crush. The tight seal lid comes with a 2-ounce removable measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. Automatic load sensing technology means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending strength based on the amount of food added to the 60-ounce BPA-free Triton jar, so your preset functions produce consistent results every time. The refined finish comes in gunmetal gray and complements your kitchen style without compromising the high-quality operation and efficiency expected from a Cuisinart blender. Professional-grade power, ultra-quiet operation, and ease of use are just a few of the reasons the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender blows the competition away. Give your kitchen the powerful upgrade it deserves by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender to your culinary arsenal.
Say hello to the all-new Vitamix 780. With a touchscreen control panel that resists scratches and cracks and a sleek modern design, the 780 is your perfect kitchen companion. Choose from 5 easy program settings, as well as variable speed and pulse features to make delicious smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. The 780 comes with a low-profile 64-ounce container that will hold plenty of the fresh, healthy blends you love and fits easily below most cabinets. To ensure durability for years to come, the 780 features a metal drive system, stainless steel blades, and a 7-year full warranty. The Vitamix 780, the next evolution in high-performance blending.
Want to see something truly amazing? Your Nutri Ninja also comes with the power and intelligence of Auto IQ technology. Simply choose one of 5 Auto IQ programs, then push one button. Auto IQ does the rest. Combined with our Pro Extractor blades, you will be able to break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds for nutrient and vitamin extraction. Leafy greens and kale are no problem for Auto IQ. Nuts and seeds become fully broken down. Ice and frozen fruit? Easy. Now you can have smooth, cool super juices. Remember, Auto IQ technology delivers nutrient and vitamin extraction, and only Ninja has Auto IQ technology.
I love the Auto IQ technology. It starts, it stops, it goes really fast, and it gives the ice time to settle so it can grind and crush it all up again.
But wait, our most powerful nutrient extractor and Auto IQ technology are just the start. Just lift off the Nutri Ninja nutrient extractor, snap on our 72-ounce total crushing blender, and you have our most powerful, most intelligent blender ever. The professional-grade total crushing blender also uses the unparalleled intelligence of Auto IQ technology. Watch the revolutionary Ninja blades turn rock-hard ice into creamy snow in just seconds. Perfect for blending restaurant-quality frozen drinks, nutrient-rich soups, decadent low-calorie desserts, and more.
The Total Crushing Blender crushes all other blenders.
Remember, with the Duo, you get our very best nutrient extractor and our most powerful Total Crushing Blender, both with a professional 1500 watts of power, both with one-touch Auto IQ technology, and you get them together.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.